Becki-licious here. Today I'm going to try a copycat recipe from Olive Garden. I absolutely adore their salad, and I found this recipe for their copycat salads. So I thought, hey, that's something that we could try together, don't you think? So I've got my romaine lettuce. I've got it all chopped up. I'm getting ready to throw it in the bowl. And because I don't know about you guys, I love Olive Garden, but their salads are amazing. So we are going to throw in the romaine. Nice big healthy, plus I'm all about a healthy salad. I love a nice healthy salad. It's so yummy. So, you know, that's how I roll. But hey, don't forget, like and subscribe and share with your friends. Click on the link tree for some, backstage fun stuff. All the good things. So, all right, look at how simple this is. All we are doing is throwing in some red onion, a little bit of carrots for some color. My absolute favorite, the olives. Got some pepperoncinis. Gonna put a majority of this Parmesan cheese on it, but we'll save a little bit for the top for when we're all done. Doesn't get easier. Does not get any easier. There we go. We're gonna get that all mixed up. We've got to add our croutons, of course. Look at that. Tell me that's not beautiful. Little tiny bit more dressing. Tell me that doesn't look amazing. And then we are going to take the last of the cheese and sprinkle it all on top. Look at how fancy we are. Look at that. Done deal. Doesn't get easier than that, does it? It's like I'm at Olive Garden. Gotta love it. I even got breadsticks. So there you go. Copycat Olive Garden salad mix with some breadsticks on the side. Doesn't get any better than that. I can close my eyes and I'm in Olive Garden. Really easy recipe. Super easy. So message me if you want to get it, because I'll be more than happy to share it. Hope you guys had fun. I'll see you next time.